In a sunlit village, a shy child learns that a small act of sharing can grow into a warm, spreading wave. A single berry shared with a friend becomes a promise, and a borrowed book opens doors to laughter. Neighbors join in, colors bright as coats and toys travel from porch to porch, weaving a gentle tapestry. When a sudden storm scatters papers, the child helps gather them, and the whole street redraws their story. By sunset, the village feels lighter, for every tiny gift returns as courage, friendship, and a home full of care.